is Muhammad Qayyum Aziad bin Nur Azran. Number matrix 2019246964. This video workshop is about mining machine. Mining machine basically used to machine flat surface and also can produce a surface. But they can also use to drill, bore, cut gears and produce flux. So in this video, I'm going to show about facing cut, side cut, step cut, and making a hole using drill. Facing cut, when we use the surface to cut the entire surface of the subject. Side cut, we use the side of the tools to make a flat surface of the side. The step cut is same, but the difference is based on steps. The first layer and second layer and the third layer. The drill, the hole is about we using a drill to make a hole onto the subject.
For safety, I will be using mask and apron, including with proper attire, short sleeve and boots. This is the step where I put out the tools. For the real one is milling machine, but I will be using drill in this experiment. Hand drill, electric hand drill. This is the part of milling machine as the subject I will be using in this video. The earliest step is preparing the tools by using the eyeball of the drill. This is for making the hole onto the subject. The next step is plugging the plug and switch on the machine. One of the instruction is to making a hole. This is where the video I used to make a hole. I don't have the equipment for holding the subject, so I use my empty hand to hold the subject and then drill to make a hole. is the equipment I will be using to form the facing cut, side cut and step cut. First, set up the equipment. Make sure the drill and the toes always tighten truly. Facing cut. This is where I make a facing cut on top of the surface of the subject from the replica. The next is about side cut. I will be using the side of the toes to make the side cut onto the subject of the replica, as in the video on the left. Then the step cut. I will be using a first and second step cut, which will show a 3 layer. This is the result of the cut. You can see a 3 layer because this polystyrene is not very precise. Make sure to switch off the plug and pull out the plug, and also put back the equipment as before the experiment. Losing the drill, take out the eye of the toe and put back into the box. You can see this is the step of cleaning, and put back all the equipment in the box. Make sure the table are clean and pull out the table. That's all from me. Thank you.